Interstate spur routes. Known for being some of the shortest highways in the country, mostly staying in a single metropolitan area. However, there are some interstate spur routes that span a distance longer than some two-digit interstates. In this video, I will go over the 10 longest interstate spur routes. At number 10, we have I-840 in Nashville, Tennessee. I-840 serves as a bypass of Nashville, spanning 77.28 miles across Tennessee. The highway's western terminus is in Dixon, having interchanges with I-65 and I-24 before passing the city of Murfreesboro and finally reaching its eastern terminus in Lebanon. The highway's length makes it Tennessee's longest interstate spur route. At number 9, we have I-196 in Michigan. I-196 serves as a connection between the cities of Grand Rapids and Chicago. I-196 spans 80.5 miles with its western terminus near Benton Harbor at I-94 before passing through cities like South Haven and Holland and then finally reaching its eastern terminus in Grand Rapids at I-96. I-196 is the longest interstate spur route in the state of Michigan. At number 8, we have I-435 in Kansas City, the first highway on this list to go through multiple states. I-435 serves as a beltway for the Kansas City area surrounding the city. The highway spans 83 miles going through both Kansas Cities and Overland Park and has interchanges with I-49, I-35, I-29, and I-70. At number 7, we have I-275 in Cincinnati, Ohio. I-275, like I-435, serves as a beltway, but for the Cincinnati area. The highway spans 83 miles across the Cincinnati area in Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana, passing through cities like Cincinnati, Covington, Sharonville, Springdale, and has interchanges with I-71, I-74, and I-75. At number 6, we have I-376 in Pennsylvania. I-376 serves as a connector between the Pittsburgh metropolitan area and I-80. The highway is 84.4 miles long with its northern terminus in Hermitage at I-80. It passes through places like Newcastle and Pittsburgh before reaching its southern terminus in the suburb of Monroeville at I-76. The highway has interchanges with I-76 and I-79. At number 5, we have I-295 in New Jersey. The highway connects Trenton, New Jersey to Wilmington, Delaware, spanning 92.3 miles. I-295 starts in Bristol Township, Pennsylvania, before passing through Trenton and Cherry Hill before reaching its southern end at I-95 in Wilmington, Delaware. At number 4, we have I-135 in Kansas. The highway spans 95.7 miles across central Kansas with its northern terminus in Salina at I-70 before passing through McPherson and Newton, and then finally reaching its southern terminus at Wichita at I-35. At number 3, we have I-287 in New York City. I-287 serves as a bypass of New York City, going through the outskirts of the New York metropolitan area. I-287 spans 98.7 miles, with its northern terminus in Rye, New York at I-95, passing through cities like White Plains and Spring Valley, with interchanges at I-87, I-80, and I-78 before finally reaching its southern terminus in Edison, New Jersey at I-95. At number 2, we have I-495 in Massachusetts. I-495 serves as a far outer partial beltway of Boston. The highway spans 121.5 miles with its northern terminus at I-95 in Salisbury, going through places like Lawrence, Lowell, Marlborough, and Milford, having interchanges with I-93, I-90, and I-95 before reaching its southern terminus at I-195 in Wareham. Finally, at number 1, we have I-476 in Pennsylvania. I-476 serves as a connector between the cities of Philadelphia and Scranton. The highway spans a whopping 132 miles, starting at I-81 in Clark Summit, Pennsylvania, near Scranton, continuing through places like Allentown, having interchanges with I-76 and I-80 before reaching its southern end at I-95 in Woodland. This length makes I-476 the longest interstate spur route in the country. On my channel, I make several videos about the interstate system, including a video about the shortest interstate spur routes, which is edited in a similar style to this video, so you should check it out afterwards. I also have a series called an Interstate Overview, where I go over the history, routing, and future of every interstate in the country. If this kind of content interests you, I would appreciate it if you subscribed, because that's what keeps me interested in making content like this.